We have a wide range of styles of workshop this month to help you banish the winter blues, starting off with simple embroidery stitches being used on pre-printed fabrics, an idea from our expert Royal School of Needlework tutor Kate Barlow, who also explains that this is great for all those cross-stitch addicts. The Technique Thursday slot has Tess Grace from the Arty Crafty Place, showing us the basics of block printing, which she loves and is passionate about. And we'll be enjoying more workshops with her in the months ahead. Our crochet expert Jane Chaya shows us how to produce this lovely bracelet quickly and easily, which is great for all age groups to make. The super creative Linda Seward returns with a workshop showing us how to create these unusual and fascinating soft sculpture faces. Valerie Nesbitt has a workshop on how to use the pineapple patchwork acrylic ruler, which she loves for using up scraps. She also shares with us how to have really accurate sashing in your patchwork. Carolyn Forster returns with her Big Stitch hand quilting workshop. Jenny Raymond is here with this super fast simple bag, and Fran Rose shows us how to make these extraordinary fabric beads to turn into jewellery or enhance a crafting project. Another workshop that is great for all age groups. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.